volleyball stars? Yes! Syempre mo na pinakaabangan. Let the good vibes roll. And let's call in our favorite Korean line Cool Smasher idols. Starting with our lovely middle blocker, player number 3, Colleen Bravo. And now let's welcome our outside hitter number 18, Dao Kaufin. Let's welcome back our lovely middle hitter number 7, Miss Ivy Remulla. Another beautiful middle blocker, number 10. Let's welcome Pao Soriano. This time, it's time for us to meet our lovely setter, number 12, Gia Morado. Yaw naman, diba? At syempre, kasama rin natin ang mga coaching staff ng ating Cream Line Cool Smashers. But then now, let's continue on. Number 13, kilala nyo ba? Yes, very good. Our lovely setter, Alex Cabano. Number 16, she's an opposite hitter. Let's welcome Riza Mandapan. Number 22, let's welcome Melissa Gohing. And last but not the least, let's welcome our opposite hitter, number 19, Miss Michelle Gumaba. Napanood ko si Michelle Gumabaw, napakagaling sumagot about fake news. And now, hindi fake news ito. Let's all welcome our idol, 5'9", jersey number 2, Eliza Fontaine. Alright, there we already have our Cream Line Cool Smashers. Once again, palakpakan natin sila ang ating mga Pet Malu, Pink Malu Lodi idols for today, okay? So now we'll be officially starting with our clinic. Once again, mga beshi, we'll be having 3 sessions for today. Ayan na, nagsisimula na at 9 a.m. Later on, we'll be having another one at 12 noon and then one at 2 p.m. So more or less po, around 2.5 hours tatagal ang ating mga clinic. So sa mga beshi nyo na gusto mamit ang ating mga Cream Line Smashers for today, please make sure to text them. Diba? Humabol pa sila because we'll be having another round at 12 noon and then at 2 p.m. So I think we are ready to start. So habang nagsisimula tayo with our lovely volleyball stars and also our coaching staff, we would like to share that we will be having 4 stations. Our first station is the spiking station. So mga beshi, dito natin matututunan ang basic approach of hitting the ball overhead. So alam na alam niyo yan, ang spiking station. Our second station is the digging station, and this is where you will learn how to control the ball. Syempre, our superstars and our amazing coaching staff will teach you how to dig. Our third station is the setting station, and this is the technique that you need to prepare for a spike. And last but not the least is the conditioning station, where you, our beshi campers, will be trained to gain strength and agility to perform volleyball skills with ease. And syempre, mga beshi lang po, a few reminders, let's all be happy. Kailangan good vibes lang. Bawal po ang mga medyo bastos, ayan, mga rude comments and remarks, because any rude, offensive, and of course, malicious behavior, okay, will lead you to, being asked to leave our event ground. So, G, mga beshies, ready na ba kayo? Yes, and ready na kami. And so, to lead us in our Barangay Cream Line Volley Fiesta, please all welcome our wonderful head coach. Palakpakan po for Coach Mario Mia.